Untangling the Tongue Twisters, Mastering Homophones in English Listening. Hello and welcome to this new episode in our English language learning series. Today we will dive into an interesting yet sometimes perplexing area: homophones in listening and speaking. We will focus specifically on the challenges of homophones in listening comprehension. So, if you often find yourself mixing up words that sound the same, don't worry. You're not alone, and this video is here to help you master the art of distinguishing homophones. Homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings. Examples include to, and to, or there, and there. Understanding and distinguishing between homophones can be a bit tricky, especially when listening to rapid speech in real-world situations. But with practice, you can definitely improve. Listening comprehension with homophones poses its own unique challenges. Context is crucial here. For example, consider the words night and night. They sound exactly the same but have entirely different meanings. It's only through the context in which they're used that we can determine the intended meaning. Another challenge is regional accents and dialects. In some accents, words that are usually pronounced differently might sound similar, adding to the confusion. For example, in some British accents, cot and caught might sound identical. To effectively understand homophones, focus on the context in which they are used. If a sentence doesn't make sense with the word you think you heard, try substituting it with a homophone and see if it fits better. Next, try listening to a variety of accents. This can help you understand how different people pronounce words, which in turn can help you become better at identifying homophones even in unfamiliar accents. Lastly, practice. The more you listen to English being spoken and the more you practice speaking it, the better you will get at distinguishing between homophones. To make this learning process more fun and practical, try some listening exercises. Listen to a podcast or watch a movie and try to identify the homophones used. Then write down the sentences in which they appear and verify your understanding. You can also practice with written exercises. Write sentences using different homophones and ask someone to read them aloud. This helps reinforce the understanding that the same sounds can represent different words and meanings. And that's a wrap on homophones in listening comprehension. Remember, mastering homophones takes time and consistent practice. But don't worry, with determination and the right strategies, you will get there. Happy learning and happy listening, and we hope this video has been helpful in your journey to mastering English. See you in the next video.